I am Ratnes Sabavadi. I am from Sri Lanka. I born in Sri Lanka. First half of in my life until 31, I've been Sri Lanka. Then I came Canada on 1992. Now in another half 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 of the life is in Canada, so I love Canada. We now are very familiar with the Canadian culture. We are helping now. Our focus is helping to other people, whoever come to Canada or whoever suffering from the bottom level or whatever. Because we came from the hard path. Our path is very hard, so we know whatever they feel or they have the situation on that time. So whatever they like, we ready to help them.